Salamat ha.
Bakit naman? Ang sakit ha?
Kasi simula nung bata tayo, hindi mo ako iniwan. Simula nung iwan ako ni Mami.
Someday you will find me.
Mahal mo ba talaga ako?
Oo, Kim! Mahal kita!
I haven't gone
Mahal din kita, Fer.
I miss the way we were back then. How
Kuya Kim! Ba't nasaktan ako lalo? Ba't ganun, Kim?
I can feel you in my heart.
Hindi pa pwedeng dalawa na lang yung puso mo.
There's a world
Kim, aminin na natin kay Ate Kim na nagpapanggap tayo.
getting brighter. All the hours that we turned into days. We were young, seemed like life would go on, last forever. All I had was you by my side.
Salamat! Simula ngayon, ikaw na ang best friend ko ha. Huwag mo akong iiwan katulad ng mami ko ha.
Okay, sige.
Promise?
Promise.
There's a world in your eyes, I can see it.